Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Foxit PDF Reader on a Mac in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your Mac. To open a PDF file, click File in the top menu and select Open. Choose your PDF file and click Open. You can scroll through the document using your trackpad or mouse. To zoom in or zoom out, use the plus and minus buttons in the toolbar, or press Command and the plus key to zoom in and Command and the minus key to zoom out. To search for text in the PDF, press Command plus F, type the word or phrase you want to find and press Return. To highlight text, click the Comment tab and choose Highlight. Then drag your cursor over the text you want to highlight. You can add notes by clicking Note in the Comment tab and clicking anywhere on the page. To rotate the page view, go to the View menu and select Rotate View. If your version supports Read Out Loud, go to View, then Read, click Activate Read, and choose Read Current Page. When you're finished, click File, and then Save to save your annotations or changes. That's it. This is the easiest way to use Foxit PDF Reader on a Mac in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.